morning! Magre-review tayo ng sunscreen for today. Nauuso ito ngayon. Review natin yung sunscreen na ginagamit ko. It is a Japanese sun protection. Brand is Hada Labo Tokyo. It's a light hydrator sun face cream, SPF 50, and a water resistant with matte look. So, I've been using this for a long time. And dahil sensitive din yung skin ko, nahihirapan ako maghanap ng sunscreen na nababagay sa akin. So, ito, nung nakita ko talaga siya, I bought this from Watson. The price nga pala is around 100-200. Nagustuhan ko talaga ito kasi nga matte siya, tapos na-absorb ka agad ng skin. And hindi talaga siya sa skin ko. So, ayan, konti lang siya. Okay. So, lagay natin. Kung nakita nyo, so ayan, na-absorb na siya kaagad ng skin. Hindi siya sticky, very light, there's no fragrance, and then there's no like makeup look. So plain siya, which I like kasi nga sensitive yung aking skin, and I don't put also makeup. It works for me, so I'm recommending this product.